Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Srishti. I'm in my third semester studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today we learn on the subject operating system, and today's topic is file structures in OS. The contents of today's video includes introduction to file structure, importance of file structure, types of file structure, advantages and disadvantages of file structure, future trends in file structure, challenges in file structure, factors to consider when choosing a file structure, best practices for file structure design, and conclusion. Now let's learn the introduction to file structure. Introduction to file structure. File structure refers to how data is organized and stored in an operating system. It determines how files are named, accessed, and managed by the OS, that is the operating system. Different file systems have varying structures such as FAT, NTFS, and ext4. The importance of file structure. It is very important to have a proper file structure in the OS or in a computer. First one is efficient data retrieval. A well-designed file structure ensures quick and efficient access to data. Data integrity is the second one. Proper file structure helps maintain data integrity by organizing data in the structured manner. Third one is storage optimization. Optimal file structures can help in efficient storage utilization within the operating system. So, efficient data retrieval, data integrity, and storage optimization are some of the importance of why file structure should be present in an operating system. Now let's learn different types of file structure. There are three main types of file structure, that is sequential file structure, indexed file structure, and hierarchical file structure. The sequential file structure is data is stored in a linear sequence and accessed sequentially like this. This is a linear data file structure. Whereas indexed file structure, index is used to access data blocks directly. You can choose any data block directly from that particular file. Whereas hierarchical file structure organized in a tree-like structure with parent and child relationship. This is an example of hierarchical file structure. Now let's learn about these file structures in detail. The first one being sequential file structure. Here, data is stored in a continuous sequence of blocks. Accessing data requires reading through the entire file sequentially. It is suited for applications that require data to be processed in order. Second one is indexed file structure. Index table maps file address to physical storage location, allows direct access to specific data blocks through the index, faster access compared to sequential file structure. Here, each file R1, R2, R5, R6, R7 is given a particular index number which points directly to the index block or the index storage location. So if you type this particular index number or this particular file, it directly brings the file to you without going through the sequential manner of the sequential file structure. Now let's learn about hierarchical file structure. This file structure organizes file in a tree-like hierarchy with directories and subdirectories. Each directory can contain files and subdirectories. It provides a logical structure for organizing and accessing files. Here you can see this is the main directory and it has subdirectories like document, doc1.txt, image, and progress. This docs again has a subdirectory and this data again has a subdirectory. It continues like that until a particular level. The next one is advantages of file structure. First one being faster access, second one is data organization, and third one is reduced fragmentation. First one is faster access. The faster access, some file structures allow for a quick access to data, improving overall system performance, whereas data organization, file structure helps in organizing data in a way that makes it easy to manage and retrieve. Reduced fragmentation, that is the third one. Here, certain file structure help in reducing fragmentation, leading to a better storage optimization. Let's learn the disadvantages of file structure. Complexity. Some file structures can be complex to implement and maintain, requiring additional sources, such as hierarchical file structure. It is very complex and may be too much for the operating system to find a particular file. Overhead. Certain file structure may introduce overhead in terms of storage or processing requirement. The third one is limited flexibility. In some cases, file structures may limit the flexibility in data operations or modifications. Now let's learn about the future trends in file structure. First one is the cloud storage. We all know about cloud storage. Cloud storage allows maximum number of storage. For cloud storage, file structures are evolving to support cloud-based storage solutions. Big data. File systems are adapting to handle larger volumes of data efficiently. Next one is security enhancement. File structures are incorporating advanced security features to protect data. Here in cloud storage, though it has a lot of uh, storage, there is not much security. So therefore, the file structure itself is tending to advance its own um, achievements or own properties by inducing all these factors. The next one is challenges in file structure design, scalability, security, and performance. Scalability, ensuring efficient file access and management as the number of files grow. Security, as I have said before, even though it has a large space, the security of this particular file is very low. Therefore, it aims on increasing it. Security, implementing access control mechanism to protect files from unauthorized access. Next one is performance, optimizing file operation for faster access and data retrievals. Factors to consider when choosing a file structure. There are a few factors to consider while choosing a particular file structure. First one being data access pattern. We have to understand how data will be accessed and which can help in selecting the most suitable file structure. Next one is performance requirement. Considering the system's performance needs to choose the file structure that meets those requirements. Scalability ensure the chosen file structures can scale with the system's growth and changing data needs. Now let's learn about the best practices for the data file structure design. The first one is understanding data requirement. It analyzes the data needs and access patterns before designing the file structure. Regular maintenance. Regularly review and optimize the file structure to ensure optimal performance. Backup and recovery. Implement robust backup and recovery mechanism to protect data stored in the file structure. Here are a few features. You can study them. The next one is conclusion. File structure plays a crucial role in organizing and managing data in an operating system. Understanding different types of file structure helps in optimizing file management process. Continuous advancements in file structure design will shape the future of data storage and management in operating system. Here are four terms which are commonly used in discussing files, that is field, record, file, and database. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.